Hey guys, so today I will be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. I have not played this game in so long. I played it on my old account, but when I got a new account, I just kind of forgot about it. And I've had this new account for probably, I think 6 months now. I'm not sure though. I know how to play. So I am white team. Nope, I don't want emotes. Okay. And let's see. And you can like join other people's teams somewhere. Oh, I need to build something. Okay. Build my boat. Boom. And last time I played, I believe wherever you clicked, like it would place it. There was no checkpoint. So that's helpful. I like that. Kind of want just like a tiny boat. Looks like I want to fit through all the obstacles. Oh, I have more, well, that looks ridiculous. Oh, my boat. Okay, let's get rid of that. And now I'll get this big chair. Yeah. Now, I want to sit down, but I think I'm stuck. So, let's get out. Now I have, there. Now I have some leg room. Launch. Yes. Okay. Oh, so my motor helps me so I can move. Oh, there's a guy so far. I like this motor. It's helpful. Yeah. And I remember playing this game all the time with my friend. Here we go. Let's turn. Ah! I'm gonna hit something. Okay. This turny thingy's not very helpful. Oh, yes it is, actually. I take that back. Go this way. Okay. It looks like there's some, what? My boat is dying. Am I gonna get any gold from this? Oh no. Okay. Oh, there's a guy at the end. Okay. Dang it. I'm dying. No. Am I still going? Okay. I got 16. Nice. Okay. I don't think I can buy anything. Oh, I can. Let me get the uncommon. Let's see. Oh, nice. Okay. That's fine. Oh, I got a table. Cool. Ooh. Nice. I don't really care what the material is. Common. Let's get common buy. Another table. Cool. I think I'm gonna save my gold, and I think I'm good. So now I can build a bigger boat. Okay, let me get random material. I don't even know what this is. Why can't I place it? Let's just, I guess, get the motor on here. There we go. Okay. What is this? Oh, is it a control panel? That's kind of cool. Oh, I have a table. I think I can use this as like an edge, like a wall, I guess. Okay. Maybe put another one right there, and I can put a cool chair like that. Oh, oopsies. Ah, how do I get out? I don't want to do this. Okay, stop building. Okay, I guess I just have to do what? Like this? What the? Who is that? Please get off my land, please. I don't know if you can kill other players. I hope not. What is that? Okay, whatever. It looks cool, so I'm gonna keep it. Well, fireworks, I guess. I'm ready to go. I don't know what the fireworks do exactly, but okay, they're cool. They're there. Okay, I accidentally hit that one. I think it took my firework. Nope, I still have both of them. Ah! There we go. Turn, dodge that. And yeah, I'm pretty much a pro now, you know? Oof, okay, never mind. What? Ah! I think this is the farthest I've gone. Oh no, it took my fireworks. No! Ah! Oh no. Okay. Yep, this is the farthest I've gotten because I'm about to go into like the next level. I'm not, oh my gosh, I barely dodged that one. If I can just go in this path here, just like nothing. Okay. Dang it. Alright, just go in this path where there's like nothing and I'll be good. Stop returning closer. Oh no. Okay. Spin. Lollipops! Yum. What's that? Oh no. I'm for sure gonna hit the train, I think. I think this is just one of luck. Oh, I did it! Oh man. That's kinda, Okay, keep turning. Okay. Oh no, oh my gosh. I'm gonna definitely die on this one. It's like impossible. See, I'm already, Oh, if I hit one more thing, I'm dead. Just keep jumping. Ah! No! I think it was a glitch. No. What did I get? Come on. 40, nice. Okay. I really don't understand. Wait. I don't understand. But thank you guys for watching. If you want me to do more build a boat to get to the end or to get the treasure videos, I can do that. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.